Okay, so videoing after running 7/8 cables down. I think we located and pushed whatever it was out to the tank, but we're going to video the drain one more time and see what we can see. Again, this is going from the vent on the roof. Still see that there's cracks along the vent stack. This all before was holding water. Now it looks like the water's gone. Well, unfortunately I can't push it past this spot, but there is no more obstruction. Pretty sure I pushed past the combo there for the other house. Maybe I'll run down the vent on that side just to make sure that I pushed everything through, but I'll pull back slow. We can see this line for this house. I pulled it out. I just couldn't push it past that spot. I'm going to probably go through the vent on that side. Hey, just do me a favor, go flush this a couple more times. So we're actually now clear of all debris on this house side. A little bit of low-lying stuff under. Just some shavings. It's hard to really tell. It looks like there is a little bit of water on the bottom of the pipe, but shaving there, which we could probably clear with a jetter.